Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Toyota Yaris. In this car have a problem. Injector pulse, when I start car, pulse came and then gone. So injector not working. So in this video I will show you how you can solve this problem. Okay, I'll show you. First, here you can see there is no pulse. And this one, see, working perfect. So this cylinder not working. Ignition coil working, pulse is perfect. Okay, a simple mistake I will show you now. Here you can see ignition coil pulse working. Okay, now I will show you where is the problem, why here pulse not working. Okay, so here is one ignition coil. Okay, it's wiring damaged car, but see, pulse line is here in second number line wire. See, okay, but here in this cylinder second number is no pulse. Pulse here, this wire. See, so who fixed this wire? They fixed the wrong connection. That's the problem. That's why injector not working. Injector pulse came and gone. Okay, now I fix it properly, then I'll show you. So now you can see I fix wire perfectly, and then here you can see pulse is coming and misfire also gone. Great success. So if my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. See, this is a small mistake. Okay, thank you.